Hey guys, I just want to do a quick unboxing video. I got a new knife here from Howie's Knife Shop. So let's get into it. My usual unboxing knife, my BHK Western Drover. Let's see. Let's do it from here. That's better. Alright, so what do we have? The Spyderco. What else we got in here? Just packing noodles, god damn it. I hate those packing noodles. Earthquake there. Alright, so let's go ahead and open the box here. Would you look at that? God, this thing's huge. So it's a Mannix 2 extra large. Ooh, smooth. Looks a little stiff, but it's humongous. Look at that in my hand, it's huge. Feels good though. Nice, comfortable, at least so far. A little rough here because of this jumping, but oh. Yeah, feels nice. Alright, well, hopefully I'll be doing a review of this sometime in the future. And this thing is huge. Alright guys, see you later. Put that in the front of the camera.